Bye, Bray.
Hi.
Can you say Sally sells seashells by the seashore?
Sally sells seashells at the seashore.
Yeah, can you say it again?
Sally sells seashells at the sea.
Sure.
Sure.
Show me a big smile. What happened to your teeth? What happened to your teeth, Brady?
I lost them.
You did? Where'd you lose them?
I bit Jacob and one fell out.
You bit him off.
And Jacob punched one out.
Really? Wow, that's interesting. Ew, you're disgusting. Hi, Mama. Stop. Hi, pretty girl. Let me see your teeth. Let me see your teeth, Mama. You're losing yours and baby Mama's getting hers. Let me see your teeth, Mama. Show me your teeth. Show me your teeth. There's the teeth of the baby girls. Hi, look at those teeth. Yay. What are you doing, eating Cheerios? You got Cheerios?
What? What?
Say bye. Say see you later.
Hi.
See you later. Say see you later.
See you later.